Some days you need a win. And in light of that, this is getting confusing. Trying to get this all centralised. So I pulled a line through it. And that's getting on my nerves. Trying to get this lined up. So I thought I'll come off that and make some floor pans. So there you go. There's a floor pan. That looks right, doesn't it? I've done the other two before, so they're done. They're not welded in yet. That will come. But I thought I'd make this one up. And then I've got to do the front one. So yeah, that's looking all right, isn't it? That's going to work. Pleased with that. Fair tight fit, which is what you want, isn't it? You don't want it too loose. There you go. So these would have been fiberglass. That's how they made these on the 4 litres. But it's sort of common practice to, it's good practice to replace them with steel. Now the Spiders had steel floor pans anyway, so it ain't a big drama. It's sort of what was done. So there you go. So that's one rear. That's the corresponding rear the other side, and that's the front. So I've got to do one here. But what you see is they're all different. They're all, you know, this isn't a mirror of the one next door. On the other side of the car, let's go and have a look. Because the chassis is not symmetrical, is it? Which we know about that, don't we? So okay. So that bit's straight there, isn't it, where it goes across the sill there. But on this one, see where we've got the A and the B, that's where the brackets for the seat come in here. And you see that edge isn't straight. It comes along and then bends in, goes, you know, so it's different, you know, whereas this one is straight all the way. And you see these are my cutouts for my seat mounts, you see? So that's sort of typical example of how the chassis is not, you know, not symmetrical, which we looked at before, I think. So yeah, so you see those two holes there. That's the mount for the gearbox. No, that's the gearbox mount, and you can see it's to one side. And you can see how the chassis is a different shape at the front here. So again, that's part of pulling this line through here, isn't it? Trying to see, you know, trying to line it up. There you see. I mean, that'll be in the middle, won't it, there? Because that's where the banjo will be for the back axle. But you can see that's to one side there, isn't it? Look, you see how it goes over? Which corresponds with that gearbox mount. And then you see the chassis is very different shape either side, isn't it? That side to that side. So there you go. Let's see if we can see that from above, give a better picture of it. You see how it's different. So, what a beautiful day with that sun out, eh? Sun shining, quite enjoying it. Positively balmy. Anyway, get back to this, sort this rear end out tomorrow, I think, once I've done these floor pans.